Hi grade 2s, welcome to your next lesson of music this half of term. We're going to get straight into it with a piece that's not too hard, but that has a couple of good rhythms, which is what we love. We love these eighth notes, and it also has our high C's and our high D's. So it's going to help us get really used to it. Remember, this piece is number 80 from your Recorder Excellence books, and it's called Starlight, Starbright. So you have a full-on PDF document that has a lot of pieces. We're going to be going through those step by step. So make sure you have it. If you don't have it, just check up on facts and you'll find it pretty easily. Just go to facts and go to lesson plans and you'll see it right there. It's called Recorder Excellence. All right, so let's take a look at this piece. What we have here is Starlight, Starbright. Now before we play it, let's start off by clapping the rhythm, just so we can get good with it and get warmed up. Alright, so let's clap our rhythm. Pretty easy stuff, so we're not going to stay here for too long. Let's get with it. 3, go. Ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta. One more time by yourself. All right, super easy, not hard at all. So now let's get on to playing the notes on our recorder. So our first note is in the third space, so we know that to be F, A, C. And then we have an A in the second space. So let's play our C and our A. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let's go. Again. Easy stuff. So even that second bar is exactly the same as that first bar. So let's try to do bar 1 and bar 2. 3, go. All right. Now let's keep on going to bar number 3. We come again to C, but this time we start moving a bit quickly with our eighth note. So we go C, A, D. So that's a bit of a big jump right there. So let's try it slowly. C, A, D. C, T, T with an A, D. 3, go. Again. Remember, this is high D. Go. Go. Last time. Let's take bar 1 up until bar 3. 3, go. Again. All right, let's keep going. Bar number 4, we have C, C, A. All right, so let's go for it. 3, go. And look over here. What we have in bar number 4 is the same as bar number 5 and the same as bar number 6. So if we can get bar number 4, we've easily got 4, 5, and 6. So C, C, A. Let's go for it 3 times. 3, go. Again. Let's take it from bar 1 all the way up until bar number 6. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Now that was a bit quick, so let me slow it down. 3, go. This time, you by yourself. T, T. All right, let's keep going. Bar number 7, bar number 8. One very important thing is, in your Recorder Excellence, this will all be one line. It's just I can't fit everything on this sheet in one line, so I go to the next line. So don't get confused when you see it and like, oh, why is it only just one line? That's just how they do it. So let's go to bar number 7. We have 2 pairs of eighth notes. So we go T, 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 T. And what are our notes? I'm going to let you figure this one out. We're in the third space, so that is C, and then same place, so double C. We have two C's there. And then over here, we are in our first space. We've had that before, so this is which note? A. And then we're up here on that high line, that second highest line. So that is a D. That second highest line is a D. Every good boy deserves. So C, C, A, D as eighth notes. Let's try it out. 3, go. Again. Slowly. Last time. Alright, let's keep going to bar number 8. Once again, we have our double C's because we're in that third space. C, C, A. And we'll finish on that A. Pretty short piece, but a lot of things going on in terms of we're staying in those C's and D's. So let's try that last bar. 3, go. 3, go. Last time. Alright, let's put bar 7 and bar 8 together. 3, go. 3, go. Let's put the whole thing together now. 3, go. One more time. Now this time by yourself. All right, so not a hard piece, not hard at all. It just needs you to know those high C's, those high D's, and be able to move around. Notice how little we even came to the G. We barely even touched the G note. We were just, the lowest note was A, and then we kept just playing between A's, C's, and D's. So really good piece to get used to those C's and D's. Now, one very important thing I want everyone to be aware of is whenever you're playing these pieces, don't just fly through them. Don't just play the notes and forget the beat. And this is what I mean. I'll play the exact notes, but I'm not going to listen to the beat, okay? So, 3, go. So you see, it does not sound the same as. So it's very important that you stay on beat so you can get a good rhythm. If you don't stay on beat, then the notes will not sound like anything and people will not know what tune that is, okay? So make sure you stay on beat and keep that rhythm, keep that beat steady and keep that rhythm moving as the notes require it to move, okay? So if you see an eighth note, T, T. If you see a quarter note, ta. If there was a whole note, then you'd hold it for 4 beats. Ta, ah, ah, ah. So you have to respect the rhythm and play how it is. And make sure you play on a steady beat. So that's it, grade 2s. Not too hard, not too long. Star light, star bright. Practice it hard. Be able to move steadily and get those high C's and high D's correct. And I will see you for our next lesson. Bye, grade 2s.